What if one random chemical element suddenly disappeared from the entire universe? No choosing, no warnings, no way to prepare, just one random element gone. This time the universe rolls the dice and lands on iron. At first that doesn't sound terrifying. Iron feels ordinary, almost harmless. But iron doesn't vanish from one place. It disappears everywhere, every atom, all at once. Let's start inside your body. Your blood contains iron for a very specific reason. Iron is part of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin carries oxygen from your lungs to every cell. Without iron, oxygen has nowhere to go. Cells begin suffocating within seconds. People collapse across cities, and it doesn't stop with humans. Animals, birds, fish, almost all complex life quickly follows. But biology is only the first layer. Now look at the world we built. Remove iron and structures lose their strength. Some collapse, others simply fall apart. Steel is mostly iron. Buildings, bridges, vehicles. Modern civilization depends on it. Factories vanish. Machines stop existing. Technology fails everywhere. Now let's go deeper, far beneath Earth's surface. Earth's core is made mostly of iron. It's heavy and it's spinning. Without iron, the magnetic field collapses, compasses spin, then go silent. That motion creates Earth's magnetic field, an invisible planetary shield. Solar radiation now hits Earth directly. There is nothing left to stop it. The atmosphere begins to leak away, slowly drifting into space. But iron isn't just important for planets. It also matters for stars. Inside stars, fusion builds heavier elements. Iron is where that process ends. Without iron, stars become unstable. Some collapse too early. Others explode incorrectly. Across the universe, stars disappear. Everything grows quiet. Remove one element and the universe becomes almost empty. And that was just one random element. Next time it could be oxygen or carbon